Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have this elegant 12-piece makeup brush set for all your makeup needs. Alright, so right here we have this makeup kit. So included in this kit, you will get a foundation brush, a contouring brush, a blush brush, you've got a loose powder brush, a medium eyeshadow brush, a large eyeshadow brush, you get the nose contouring brush, a highlighter brush, a small eyeshadow brush. There's also a lip brush, eyebrow brush, and a concealer brush in this pack. It also comes with a nice little carrying case, as you can see right here. And inside this carrying case, you have a spot to put each brushes in there to protect it from the elements. It does have a little plastic mesh that covers over it to protect your brushes. So this professional brush set contains 12 pieces for different functions to cover all your makeup needs, such as blending, highlighting, shading, and contouring your face. So here are the brushes. They look like a little bluish green in the lighting. Sometimes it looks like a little purplish color. So the bristles of these makeup brushes are set to made of cruelty-free synthetic hairs, which are ultra soft and no shedding, which will give you a silky smooth touch to the skin, will help create a flawless finish that is super easy to do. So here is one of your brushes. It does come with this little plastic mesh thing to make sure that they're not all bent out of shape. So these brushes are made of high-end performance fashionable design handles and an aluminum tube to prevent the brush and handle from falling apart. Finely polished and painted, no fade, provided with a soft, comfortable touch, feeling a super ability to hold. So these are all the brushes right here. You got the bigger brushes, which are your foundation brushes, your contour brush, your blush brush, and your loose powder brush, which has these little fine synthetic covers. You can see how good quality these eyeshadow brushes are. So that curved one right there is the eyebrow brush. Here is your eyeshadow brushes. You have a concealer brush right here, a large eyeshadow brush, a medium shadow brush, and this tiny one right here is the small eyeshadow brush. And then you have your loose powder brush and your nose contouring brush. They're very soft to the touch. So again, it has like these little mesh to cover up the brushes. They're very soft to the touch. This right here is your contouring brush. So I just slide these in backwards. This helps protect your brush bristles. Just slide it in like that. Every single big brush, which is your foundation brush, your contouring brush, and your blush brush, as well as your loose powder brush, has these little things on it. Just slide it back in here like that. It's just a little mesh. See, they look like a little blue on camera, but they're like a blue-green. And if you have it dark in the light, it looks a little purplish. So this is your foundation brush. Actually, this one is your contouring brush. You can see the slight angle of that brush right here. It's really nice and soft. The bristles are really soft. The handles themselves are really nice. The coloring of them, they do come in different colors. They have them in this blue. There's also a pink color, and I think they have another one that is a gray color. The best thing about this, it does come with the carrying case, which the carrying case is 13 centimeters by 20.3 centimeters long. It has a button snap together, so you can just take all these brushes and put them inside the case. And it has a little plastic to cover them to protect them from the element. As you can see right here, it looks really nice. So if you're a makeup artist, this is a great thing to have on the go. It's got really nice brushes. You do have a few more sections right here to put some more brushes if you have. If you want to protect your brush bristles, just go ahead and put the plastic on, and then you can roll it up and it's ready to take with you. and you just snap it together like that. And your brushes are ready to go. This is just a cute little design bow, and your brushes are in there. So these are definitely nice little brush sets. I like them. They're very soft. They make my makeup come out fabulous.